So I would say duct sealing. If you have ductwork, duct sealing, we're
What's
losing.
duct sealing?
So we have the ductwork going through the home.
Right.
Back in the day, we may not have sealed that as well as we do nowadays. So losing air to the attic or to the basement where we're not trying to condition, that's the number one loss, I would say, in most older homes. So duct sealing would be one of the big ones to take a look at and see if you can improve.
What about on forced water? It's a great question. But a lot of houses in New England actually don't have ductwork.
No, they have forced.
I'd say most of us are running forced water